let's transition into our Beat the Bell segment. In our Beat the Bell segment, we're going to cover global market news. We're going to cover some key numbers of the overnight markets, and we're going to hop into some charts and see what's going on in the market to see if we can have some active day trade opportunities, okay? So kicking it off in the Asian market, all right? The Asian Dow numbers are not loading, so give me a second. Okay. All right. Let's let that load a little bit. All right. The Asian Dow was down 0.35%. The Nikkei 225 was down 0.48%. The Hang Seng Index was up 1.85%. Shanghai Index was down 0.7%. The Sensex Index is up 0.47%, and the Singapore Index being up 0.47%. In our U.S. equities, the Dow down 0.02%. The S&P 500 was up 0.14%. The NASDAQ was up 0.32%. The VIX is up 6.01%. Very interesting to keep our eyes on VIX opening or closing that high yesterday and seeing what it already is doing, seeing what the market is already doing pre-market. It might be a red day. Okay, especially for the equities. Gold is down 0.23%. Oil is up 0.55%. Now, hopping over into the futures market, the Dow Jones futures are already down 1.11%. The S&P 500 futures are down 1.32%. The NASDAQ futures are down 1.41%. When that consumer pricing index news came out, the NASDAQ futures fell over 400 points. So very interesting to see what's going to happen with that. Now, it could bottom out, get some support, and turn around and come all the way back up. We shall see. We'll let the data lead. Gold futures are down 0.16%. Silver futures are up 0.56%, and crude oil futures are up 0.65%. Okay, hopping right over into the Forex market. The euro is down 0.77%. The Japanese yen is up 0.46%. The Great British pound is down 0.65%. The Australian dollar is down 1.24%. The DXY index is up 0.61%. The Wall Street Journal dollar index is up 0.61%. All right. Rounding it out in the crypto markets, Bitcoin is down 1.93% to 67,661. Ethereum is down 2.66%, down to $3,418.80. XRP is down 4.22%. Bitcoin Cash is down 10.05%. Litecoin is down 3.92%, and Monero is up 0.52%. Okay, in our geopolitical and economic news, we mentioned that the core CPI, the CPI month over month, and the CPI year over year numbers came out at 8:30, which sunk the market. Okay, at 8:45, a member of the FOMC, Bowman, started to speak, and it doesn't look like he's done anything to bring the market around. At 9:45, that's Canadian. At 10 a.m., we'll have final wholesale inventories. At 10:30, the crude oil inventories will come out. At 12:45, FOMC member Barkin is speaking. At 1:01 p.m., the 10-year bond auction. At 2 p.m., the FOMC meeting minutes and a federal budget balance. So a heck of a day in the markets today with a lot of news coming out, okay? So the 8:30 news rocked the markets. We will see if the midday news will allow some volume and volatility in there. What I see is it's probably going to consolidate in this opening. It's going to be initial. I believe it's going to probably be an initial sell-off. I think it'll consolidate slowly, and I think everybody's going to be waiting for that 2 o'clock news. That is what I think will happen. We will let the data lead, okay?